You cannot sneeze with your eyes open. Go ahead, try it. Your body simply won't allow it. Every time you sneeze, your eyelids slam shut automatically. No choice, no override. Deep inside your brain, the trigeminal nerve fires a full-body reflex, a coordinated blast of signals all at once. Your chest compresses, your throat opens, and your face muscles tighten, all in under a second. Shutting the eyes is part of that same reflex cascade. Your brain protects them from the pressure spike. Some people thought open eyes during a sneeze could pop an eyeball out. Scientists tested it, and honestly, it's complicated. The real reason? Pure autonomic reflex. Your body runs the show. Your conscious mind never even gets a vote. Your body has been running secret programs this whole time. Next sneeze? Notice who's actually in control.